feeling fine. He's just his usual chill self this morning. I'm sure once he realizes I've gone outside, he will come to the door and ask to come out. He will not want to miss being where his mama is. Oh my goodness, is it muggy and hot out here already? This is the muggiest morning of the year so far for a first step out the door. Wow, it doesn't feel great out here. I did not mean to leave the can out here last night. Hi, Mart. Mart's ate in the house. He's probably not super hungry. I don't know where Morris is. I haven't seen him since I've been up. I hollered. Oh, there's the chickens. I hollered a couple of times, but just out the door, not my super mom cat holler. So I will holler for him. He might have got upset because the chickens were down here at 7:30 carrying on like you would not believe. So I'm not going to lay any food on the cat bricks right now. Although I might as well just let them come over and eat because I'm just going to lay it down. The last time I carried the Meow Mix junk food up the hill for them, the cats went up there and then they started eating the Meow Mix off the ground, and I can't be having the cats going that way for food because they want junk food too. Oh, it's kind of like the difference between eating a steak and eating a bag of Doritos. Well, other than the humidity, and I've got 3 mosquito bites now, it's a nice morning out there. I enjoyed having time to walk around the yard. I pulled out about 50 maple trees around back in the plant pots that had sprouted. That's just fun. And a little stilt grass in the side yard. And, you know, just always whatever I walk past that doesn't look right, I fix it while I'm walking past. My impatiens that came back from seed are starting to do good in here. Starting to look good. They are really everywhere in the yard where I've put them. They are starting to fill out the pots and look pretty, so that's nice. I will go see if I can see an outlet here in a minute. I'm almost done with what I gotta do before I do what I want to do. Hey, good morning. There you go. Hi, honey. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello, good girl. I don't remember hearing them last night. I don't see Mom here in the tree. You know, trying to figure out where they are is a lot of look up and just hope you land on a whitish brown mound that looks like an owl. You know, they're made to be stealthy in the woods, so. Okay, so the baby is still up there in that branch, and moved up a little higher, but still in that tree. Let me see if I can get a picture that we will care about. That's a really hard angle for me to, well, anybody, even with a 300mm lens, that's a hard angle. But that's nice that I can document one more day of seeing one of them. I'm sure the other baby is close by too. Huh. And this spot right here, I've not spotted it yet. Alright, let me stop filming and focus on location. From this location I can see the baby, and I did get a good picture. I thought both of the babies were side by side, but I saw Mom or Dad fly away. I didn't mean to startle them. I'm going to go back in the house. So I don't think it was the 2 babies. I think it was Mom or Dad in with the baby, because they were side by side and then one of them took off. So we're out here to go inside for the weight room. It's Friday. Friday's weight room day. It's 81 degrees. It's 78% humidity. It feels 100%. It feels super wet. It feels like summer. There is a chance of storms again. I guess they were overly optimistic in their modeling earlier in the week when they told us it was going to be dry after Wednesday. I guess I should tell you guys the delivery got postponed again from today until next Tuesday, but they still don't have the seatbelt part, so delivery is all contingent on the part actually coming in and them having time to install it. God, just let me go back inside. Well, I've been down the driveway and around the yard several times already, up that hill in the front. I knew it was not fun out here. Another day, more eggs and bacon for Dawn. And another Star Wars shirt.
I'm getting close to the bottom of my pile. I think I only have 4 more shirts.
Well, you can probably just flip it one more time before we, you know.
Maybe on the rest of the month.
Yeah.
Thank you for breakfast.
You're welcome. We're home from the gym. God, it's muggy out here today. You could cut the air with a knife. I have spotted the second outlet. I don't see Mom or Dad right now. It doesn't mean Mom or Dad are not watching me. But, he's up there on that limb. I know you can't see him. I'm going to take a picture of him, though, with, he's up in there somewhere. I can't see good on this little screen, but he's up there and the other guy's in exactly the spot he was in before, which is more in this direction.
Well, the air compressor I got for Ruby has come, and it's bigger than I thought. It's a really seems to be a high quality thing. It has a 20 amp fuse, however. I'm concerned that that's too much for the Tesla 12 volt outlet. I'm going to do a couple tests here and see how much current it draws. Pumping up to 45 pounds or so. Well, that got me to thinking, so I went and got this one. This one has a 15 amp fuse, so I'm going to test this one. This is the Harbor Freight one I got several years ago. It's a Pittsburgh. I'm going to see how many amps. I've got my power supply set up for 13.6 nominal, and it's current limited to 10 amps. So we'll see how much this one draws. Okay, here we go. Got a little on-off switch here. It's going to make a lot of racket, I'm sure. So we can check it over here. That's with no pressure. It's pulling 5 amps. No pressure. It's just blowing in. So I'm going to plug it up. That's 80 pounds and it's pulling. So this one's safe. I'm thinking this one is okay. I got the gauge at 80 pounds. And it was up to 8 amps, so I think that'll work just fine. It won't overpower the 10 amps or so that the cigarette lighter and the Teslas can safely handle. Well, the real reason I'm out in the garage is not to do the air compressor pump testing, but I guess I'm glad I did that because I'm going to return that really nice air compressor, but and get a different one. I should have read better. I literally bought it because it was red and it had a cute little carrying bag. I didn't even read the specs on it. It looked like my old the little Pittsburgh one that I wanted from Harbor Freight. Anyway, so I screwed that up, so I'm gonna have to return it. I have a $10 and I think it was $11 counting the tax. Free shipping touchpad. My touchpad on my Chromebook no longer works and hasn't been working for like 6 months, and I've finally decided, hey, I think I'm going to fix it. So here we go. Well, of course the hard part is to get the case to snap out. Their screws were very easy. You're supposed to take the battery loose from this connector, but folks, I even got a magnifying glass and I could not see it. I used a really good flashlight and I could not see how that connector came loose. So I just laid the battery over on top of the circuit board. You know, that's not, you don't do what I do. And then they had warned you about the sticky tape, and so there's 3 screws. And I got the screws out, so I'm going and pulled up the little cable. So it's doing pretty good. So fingers crossed here that I don't blow it up here in the next couple minutes, and I'll be done. All right, so here's the moment of truth. Does the mouse ooh, look at that little mouse wiggle. Wow, that's nice. I haven't seen that in a while. Now does it click? Oh, it clicks. Another successful repair. Way cool. I like it.
So the second floor is done, except I haven't put any people in there. I need to put a few people in there. I am going to build the roof next to cover the top of the building, but like I said before, there is going to also be a third floor. And I had decided to make this patterned all the way up, but I may come back in here and make that be a solid band like the rest of it. Now that I'm looking at it, I always see things when I go to film.